What's up guys, it's Nico Moreno here, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing my 2 Comic Club award which just arrived in the mail. So I'm super excited to open this, and gosh, it's been such a journey and I've been just really excited and thrilled to receive this. And it's the first of many, alright? So let's go ahead and let's see what's inside. So I got my super sharp knife here, and trying to be careful. There we go. Whew. Okay. Getting excited. Let's do this. Woo. Getting excited. I've imagined this day for so long. Anyone can do it. You just have to believe in yourself. That is literally all it takes. Okay, let's do this. Okay, we got the phone. Hopefully this doesn't block the camera. Okay, so we got some foam. Pellets, love the pellets. All right. Woo. Oh, it's so gorgeous and shiny. Okay, let me take this out. Let's get the bubble wrap off of this. Oh man, okay. Try and stay in the camera frame here. Woo! Look at that. Oh man, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh. It even smells good. God. How gorgeous is this? Okay. Taking off the little edges. Look at that. And now let's just take off the bubble wrap here. Woo! Oh, look at that. Oh my god, it's so shiny and beautiful. Look at that. Nice 2 Comic Club award. Awesome. Thank you, ClickFunnels. You guys helped make this happen, and you made my dreams come true. Seriously. Without ClickFunnels, I don't even know where I would be today, but I don't want to think about it, and thank God I never have to. I will be a ClickFunnels customer and user for life. And thank you guys so much for this. Like I just said, first of many. All right, this has been Nico Moreno, and thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time.